I would request Mr. Khanna to now talk about responsible social investments to explore sustainable ways to address malnutrition challenges in India. Mr. Ajay Khanna.
Thank you, and thank you to Dr. Shilpa, Dr. Simavo, Dr. Sujit, Dr. Suresh Reddy, Basant, Rajbala Kataria, and Jyotika Kalra, and obviously you, Bhagya, for kind of holding the stage today. I think it's a proud day, the World Health Day. The world is kind of facing a pandemic, but it gives me immense pleasure that we are still gathered together on the theme of building a fairer, healthier world, which is a clarion call to strengthen the action in the best possible way to build a better tomorrow with a focus on child nutrition. So it indeed gives me immense pleasure because it completely coincides with our vision and our, we know that Amway India is one of the foremost proponents of holistic wellness, which reflects in our vision of helping people live better, healthier lives. And we always, as an organization, even before we had launched in 1998, have endeavored to make a tangible impact on the society through our multiple social initiatives. It gives me immense pleasure today as we kind of are leveraging our deep-rooted experience in nutrition and wellness and science in alignment with the Government of India's National Nutrition Mission, and are introducing a globally acclaimed campaign, The Power of Five, to raise the awareness on the issue of childhood malnutrition and bring in the much needed behavioral shift among mothers and communities at large. So obviously, I'll quickly go through a lot of data has been kind of shared. There was an extensive study with the Mamta Institute for Mother and Child. We chose the pilot, the project in Kirari village, Northwest Delhi in the year 2018. Leveraging, obviously, we talked about the ASHA workers, the ANM, the Anganwadi workers, how we've kind of come together, and that was very beautifully shared by the speakers before me. It is really heartening for me to share that we have actually positively impacted lives of more than 40,000 people, including 10,000 children. And of course, the Power of Five program in partnership with the SRF Foundation in the New District, Haryana. Under this 2 years program, we are kind of really looking forward to benefiting 51,000 people, including 15,000 children between the age of 0 to 8 years. Succinctly, I would like to add here that our community-based nutritional education intervention to mothers is a testimony to the fact that simple yet extensive outreach is the way to improve the nutritional status of the community. And of course, we aspire for a healthy India wherein all citizens have an equitable, not equal, access to affordable health coverage with a focus on prevention, early diagnosis, and assured minimum quality of care. So thank you for all of you who have kind of really come together, huddled together for such a noble cause. We need to build a healthier world, and we need to give a better future to our children, and none better than giving those people who haven't been getting it from other sources. So thank you once again.